The Hamilton Beach Electric Skillet, PFAS-Free, is a kitchen workhorse. It truly simplifies cooking. This skillet boasts a generous 12x 15-inch pan. This size is great for family meals. Furthermore, its Durathon Ceramic Coating is PFAS-free. This means healthier cooking. It is a big relief for many home cooks. The nonstick surface is also impressive. Eggs glide off easily. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. It's like a smooth dance. This skillet heats up quickly too. It holds heat evenly. Therefore, your food cooks uniformly. You won't find hot spots. This consistency is wonderful. The adjustable temperature control is also a nice touch. It gives you full control. You can simmer or sear. This skillet does it all. Ultimately, it's a versatile tool. It's a kitchen chameleon. Moreover, the Hamilton Beach Electric Skillet, PFAS-free, offers thoughtful features. The pan is removable. This makes washing super simple. Also, the design is reversible. This adds to its flexibility. The tempered glass lid is a clear window. You can watch your food cook. No need to lift the lid. This saves heat. It also prevents splattering. The black nonstick surface looks sleek. It adds a modern touch. This skillet is not just practical. It's also stylish. It will fit any kitchen decor. However, its true beauty lies in its performance. It's a quiet kitchen hero. It handles everyday cooking with grace. For example, pancakes become perfect golden circles. Stir fries turn out crisp. This skillet truly delivers. It's a reliable cooking companion. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Electric Skillet, PFAS-free, stands out. It offers excellent value. It's built to last consequently. It's a smart investment. You will use it often. This skillet makes cooking enjoyable. It makes meal prep less daunting. Furthermore, its safety features are paramount. The PFAS-free coating is a major plus. It eases any health concerns. Overall, this electric skillet is a fantastic choice. It's like a reliable old friend. It will always be there for you. We highly recommend it. It exceeds expectations. Therefore, consider this skillet. It's a kitchen game changer. Pros: good for daily use, cooks big meals, fits on counter, skillet works well, large family or crowd, plugs in from either side, heats evenly, easy to use, easy cleanup, reached desired temperature quickly, pan can be removed for serving, cooks food without sticking, main part lifts off for washing. Cons: pricey, takes up half the dishwasher, storage is a iteration, popped a breaker, heat not uniform. Features: PFAS-free Durathon Ceramic Coating, removable 12x 15-inch pan, adjustable temperature control, reversible design, tempered glass lid, black nonstick surface, easy to clean, even heating. Cool touch handles, model 38531. The Hamilton Beach Electric Skillet, model 38531, is a versatile cooking appliance featuring a large 12x 15-inch pan with a special PFAS-free Durathon ceramic coating that prevents food from sticking. You can easily control the cooking temperature, and the pan can even be reversed for different cooking needs. It comes with a clear tempered glass lid to see your food as it cooks, and its cool touch handles make it safe to move. This skillet is also designed for even heating and is simple to clean after use. The Hamilton Beach Electric Skillet, model 38531, is a good choice for daily cooking, especially if you're making big meals for a large family or a crowd. Its 12x 15-inch pan has a PFAS-free Durathon ceramic coating that prevents food from sticking, and it heats up quickly and evenly. The skillet is easy to use and clean, with a removable pan for serving and a main part that lifts off for washing. It also has a reversible design, allowing the power cord to plug in from either side. While it fits on your counter and generally works well, keep in mind it's a bit pricey, takes up a lot of space in the dishwasher, and storage might be an issue due to its size. Some users have also experienced it popping a breaker or noticed that the heat isn't perfectly uniform across the entire surface.